Is it the oil? Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. So I was supposed to shoot very early in the morning using the sunrise and all that to recreate something I saw online, right? But yeah, our very own model didn't come early. The sun came out
in my house.
All right, so I want to do like if you've been watching my previous videos, I always say if things don't go as planned, just do whatever it is you have to do with the available things you have. And fortunately for me, I got the aperture 120D from a friend, which I'll be using today as a continuous light, together with what I normally use all the time, the natural light window diffused with my 120 centimeter diffuser. Yeah, so this is a lovely model, Lemonny. A lot of people have requested to see her on my YouTube doing this room thing again. So today's video is going to be based on something I saw online. Why, it's going to be more of beauty, but closer to her skin than the normal beauty you see me shoot with her. Then I also do some fashion. This lovely outfit, the top you're seeing here, was provided by a friend, Julia Bruce. I honestly don't know her handle. I'll ask her and put it down in the description below. Whoever collaborated to this shoot, the makeup artist who is just behind, I'll link everybody's handle down in the description below. Don't forget to check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as usual. And oh, if you're hearing any external noises, I'm closer to the roadside. Unfortunately, my house is closer to the roadside and I can't do anything about that, so sorry for that. All right, so that being said, I'm shooting with the Canon 5D Mark IV, the 100 macro f2.8 L lens, which I borrowed from a friend. So if you want to sponsor my YouTube, just get me another 100 so that I stop borrowing from people. So I'll switch between this and the 50 when I want to shoot, let's say, some full images, right? So yeah, continuous light at 100%, and I have this two natural light which I can't control, but it's more small window lightish. Yeah, so let's just start with something. Right now I have, most of the time when you're shooting indoors, right, and you're shooting beauty with continuous light, your ISO has to be cranked up all the time. Well, majority of the time people say that you don't really have to crank up your ISO if you don't want like enough noise in your picture. But here's the thing, when you have a lot of available lights or continuous light or whatever light it's available to you, when you crank up your ISO, there's little or no noise in the picture if the light is as powerful as the aperture 120D. So I've mounted it on the Godox PL 120, which I love it because it's giving me all this light that I even see on my face. It's making me look beautiful-ish, you know what I mean? All right, so let's just take a test shot. Kindly get closer. So the softbox is more like my key light, and the window lighting is, the diffused window lighting is my kicker light or fill light. That I'll take it that way. All right, so right now I'm at ISO 640, shutter speed 1/60. Let me go 200 and f6.3. Someone will ask my temperature and all that. Temperature 500. My picture profile at neutral. Yep. Okay, so let's take a first test shot. Chin down, please. Chin down. Focus. I like this, but it's too dark. Right, so I'll just reduce the aperture to f5.6. I still want everything to be sharp. It's good to shoot underexposed. And today I'm going to mention quite a few number of things concerning reflected light. So looking at the room, I don't know if you guys can see this black tint. I have this green tint from my window which I've blocked with my black cloth to prevent the tint from entering. My room is painted white, and if I have any reflected light, it's going to be white in the shadow. And I'm not going to use a reflector today too because this thing is filling quite as much for me. And talking about reflected light, if your room is painted brown or any color and you lights, whatever you do, when you open up your shadows, you see the color in your shadow. So try as much as possible to have a flag to prevent the color, and the flag can be black, and if it's black, it sucks away the light, so that's a bummer. Anyways, let's get back to shooting. Still at ISO 640 f5.6 and shutter speed 200 just to freeze the motion. Let me change this to 1 point. All right, I think it's too dark. I'll increase my ISO to 800. Take a step forward, please. Yeah, too much. Let this be there. All right, I think I like this. This is beautiful. Now let's start from there. Yeah, far from my light to get closer. Oh, and if I didn't mention, this material was for my mother. So if you are interested in buying one, bring the money. I'll get one for you. I honestly don't know the name of the material. Like she's saying, it looks like a calico. I don't know if it's a calico. I'm getting interesting shots. I like what I have, the details. The makeup to look subtle because I said it should look subtle. So if you guys hear me say any funny statements, I'm in a room with my housemate. She's very worrisome. Oh wow, this is nice. Candid face towards the light more. Right, then you bring the face towards me. So turn the body towards the light. Yeah, beautiful. So like I mentioned, it's more beauty-ish. But I like this. This is beautiful. Chin down small. Getting some shadows from this because of your braids. Well, the braids fit you. The outfit looks nice on you too. Alright. So one of the perks of shooting with a Mark IV is I can do live screen and shoot, right? So get a Mark IV if you have the money, but if you don't go steal anybody's money. Chin down. Yeah. Keep it. Beautiful. Get closer. Open the lips, straighten the head. And it's good to always have your focus points on the eye so that bend the head this way. That's good. This is lovely. Oh, let's add opening of the lips. Yeah. Do the same thing for me. Let me add the outfit to it. It's not small. I think I have a lot from this. Let's do this noise. Let's do from the back. From the back, so not necessarily from that way. Yo, you like fooling? Stop fooling. Yeah, so your body face this way, then your face towards the light bar.
Don't sit there anything that belongs to me. Right.
You doing that? Oi, look here. Turn the face towards the light more, please. Here, now look at me. Chin down, chin down. Alright, so I'll let her change into the second outfit. I have some nice shots from this, and I think I've represented the top enough. Right, so I'll let her change to the second outfit, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so this is the second outfit from Mo.oi Studios, right? And I'm here shooting with the second look. I'm shooting with the Canon 5D Mark IV as usual, and the Canon 50 SCM 1.8, which is very cheap. You can afford it. And with this shoot, you can do the same thing with the 6D or any available camera you have. The only thing is, I'm sure you wouldn't have the funds to purchase the aperture 120D, but with natural light, which is available, you can get it everywhere. So let's just take this and I'll show you what I got from here. So I still have my settings at ISO 800 f5.6, shutter speed of 200. Let's do some live view. Well, this is nice. Yeah, how about you go that way instead? When you open your eyes, chin down. So hold the arm towards your head this way, and so that this one goes up that way. Great. As in here, pushing against it. Here, add the head swag to it. Alright. Let's go this way. I know. Let's try it.
True.
Expect how? If you.
It is pen. And I'm a transfer, right?
Listen.
This is short. It's
Wait. Hold it.
Yeah, fine. One and fine.
Put this one there, then raise this one. It will go. Where's the peg? Where's the peg? Hold that. Raise the hand. Let me see. Raise it. You keep on raising it. Okay. This peg. I need to check.
Ready.
Take a step to my left.
So you broke it, the chair.
Alright. Let's. Right, so I'm switching from f5.6 to f4, and I'll take the ISO 2 steps down to from 800 to 500, just to keep the exposure from before. Kindly don't do that to your lips. Open them instead. Yeah, that's great. Chin down. Yeah, that's great. Change the posture of your leg. Send, yeah, let it go. Yeah, then send it forward. Tiptoe. Okay. I so hate that pose. If you can change it. Are you asking me? Alright, do one chin down. Hold on. Yeah, go up into the light like that. Yeah. That's about it. Looking at what I have here, having this as my fill light, so more or less like a backlight because it's hitting the background and creating some shadows for me. And this is my key light doing all the work it has to do. So I'll put up the images on the screen for you to see. It's kind of hot because it's sunny, right? So
Humble, please, humble.
yeah, I love the images. What do you think?
Nice. Very humble.
Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video here on my YouTube channel. And thank you for coming in very early and late as usual. And thanks to the other people who collaborated to the shoot, the designer, the makeup artist. Like I said, I'll link everybody's handle down the description below. You can check them out. This outfit is actually nice.
Don't like.
Just get
Don't
this.
like. Don't comment. Don't share. Will not
Like,
anything.
comment, share, and we'll be back with another video. And before I leave, don't forget this is a learning curve for me as well. So I'm also learning, so you should also keep on learning. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.